Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because the future is about to get a whole lot more thrilling. Hold on to your seats as we unveil the electrifying updates on Samsung's upcoming masterpiece, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Picture this, a smartphone that's not just a step, but a giant leap ahead. Brace yourselves for a brighter-than-the-sun screen and a telephoto camera that's sharper than your wildest dreams. But that's not all. The real game-changer is the Galaxy S24 Ultra's futuristic titanium frame. It's tougher, denser, and oh so cool. And here's the kicker. Despite this space-age material, this juggernaut won't weigh you down. No, sir. Listen up, folks. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is about to set new records in the light-as-a-feather department. Hold your breath. It's going to be lighter than a feather, clocking in at a mere 233 grams. Can you believe it? That's 1 gram lighter than its predecessor with an armor aluminum frame. Imagine a phone that's stronger, sleeker, and lighter. Hats off to Samsung for cracking the code on this one. They must have put their top brains to work for this jaw-dropping marvel. Let's talk aesthetics, shall we? Prepare to feast your eyes on a design that's as stunning as a work of art. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is keeping its legacy alive with a design reminiscent of its predecessor. You know the drill. Expect Gorilla Glass for days, both on the front and the rear. And as for dust and water, not a chance, thanks to its rock-solid IP68 rating. Hold on to your excitement, because the features are coming at you like shooting stars. A colossal 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen is ready to engulf your senses with its mind-bending QHD plus resolution and a dazzling 120Hz refresh rate. And that camera setup? Oh boy, get ready to be blown away. The same 200MP ISO CLLHP2 primary camera sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, a 50MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 10MP telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom are all here to redefine photography. Hold your horses, because we're not done yet. This powerhouse comes in 2 supercharged variants, the Exynos 2400 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, both boasting 4M chips. These titans will conquer continents, the Exynos 2400 across Africa, Asia, and Europe, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 takes center stage in China and the US. Powering this beast is a 5,000 mAh battery with a 45W fast charging that'll leave you breathless. So there you have it, adventurers of the tech world. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a symphony of innovation, elegance, and mind-blowing power. Mark your calendars and hold on to your hats, because the future is calling, and it's calling in style. Peace out.